In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in Clickup using its native features. This is a simple yet powerful tool to help you manage your tasks efficiently and understand where your time is going. So, let's dive right in and explore how to get this set up in just a few steps. First, we'll start by heading over to the Clickup website. Once you're there, you'll notice a Login button located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on that will prompt you to log in to your account. If you're already using Google to manage most of your online activities, you can make this process even easier by opting to Continue with Google. Just click that option and select your Google account. This will streamline the login process and save you a bit of time. Now that you're logged in, turn your attention to the left panel where your workspace is displayed. Here, find the space that you're working within and locate the three vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking these dots will reveal a list of settings. It's here that you can fine-tune the time tracking settings to fit your needs. Next, from the options displayed, select Space Settings. This is an important step because it allows you to manage everything within your workspace, including the time tracking feature. Once the Space Settings menu is open, look for Billable Time Tracking and give it a click. This option allows you to differentiate between billable and non-billable hours, which can be critical for project management and billing purposes. Perhaps you want to track non-billable hours as well. There's an option for that too. Simply click on Non-Billable to ensure those hours are being tracked separately. This is especially useful if you're juggling between projects where time is compensated differently. Having tweaked these settings, it's time to head back to your task list. Navigate back to the task that you wish to track time for. Once there, locate the Track Time option. Clicking on this icon will launch the time tracking interface. This tool provides a straightforward way to record how long you spend on each task, and managing this within Clickup keeps your workflow both efficient and organized. The final step is to set your tracking time. This means you can manually adjust the time logged for specific tasks, which is handy if you need to input time retrospectively. Keeping your tracking accurate ensures that you have a realistic view of your productivity. And there you have it. You've now successfully set up and configured time tracking in Clickup. This powerful feature not only aids in personal productivity, but can significantly enhance your project management capabilities. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more on Clickup to discover other useful tools and features.